Are you ready to transform your trading journey? Welcome to the ultimate guide where I will show you how I made $15,000 with my AI-powered corruption bot. Stick around to learn the strategies that delivers consistent results and maximize your profits. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is packed with the actionable insights, live trading sessions, and the exact strategy that bought me this 15k success. If you are serious about trading, this is a must watch. First, let's talk about setting up the AI bot. It is designed to analyze real-time market data, optimize entry points, and execute trades seamlessly. Here's how to configure it for maximum probability. This strategy combines technical analysis like RSI, moving averages, and sentiment analysis for precise decision making. The bot uses the precise metrics to identify the high probability trades. Let me break it down for you step by step. Here's the exiting part. Live trading. Watch as I execute trades using the bot, and I turn $1,000 trade into a massive $15,000 profit. This is where the magic happens. Now, no strategy is complete without proper risk management. I'll share my key rules to minimize losses and secure consistent growth. Remember, the best strategies need disciplined execution. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join my Telegram channel for free courses and daily strategies to stay ahead in the market. Let's trade smarter, not harder.